If you want to create a new Netflix account from scratch on your smart TV, let's go through all these steps and get your account set up from start to finish. So first, let's go to your TV and just open Netflix app. Now, if it's pre-installed on your TV, like most of the TV brands, you can just open it up. If it's not, you can just first download and install it. You'll land on this login page. Now, since we're creating a new account, you gotta just select Get Started and then select Continue. Now, depending on the region, Netflix may ask you to register using your phone number or email address first. Now, we were asked to use an email address here. But keep in mind, even if you register with your email, you will still be asked to verify your phone number later. Now, in here, you gotta enter an email address that is not already being used for a Netflix account, a fresh one. Hit enter, and then Netflix will send a verification code to that email. So in this part, you gotta just grab your phone, iPhone or Android, whatever you're using, and just go and check your inbox on your Gmail. Now, if you don't see it right away, you can also check your spam folder. And if you still didn't get the email, you can also resend it. Now, when you find the email, just open the mail, and here you'll see a Finish Signing Up button. Tap on it, choose the browser you want to use for this process. Now, you'll see a prompt asking you to finish setting up your account. And if you look at your TV, you'll also see on a screen that you're now on step 2 of the 4-step setup process. So let's get back to your phone, select Next. In this step, you're gonna need to create a password for your Netflix account. Just enter your password and then enter it again to confirm it. You can also choose whether you want to opt in or out with all the promotional emails on your Netflix account or a Gmail address. When you're ready, just select Next. For later or easier access, you can save this password to your phone, otherwise just press Not Now. Alright, so we're at the last part of our account creation process, and here you need to choose a specific Netflix plan that best suits you. Select Next to see the available plans. Now you'll see different options based on a region. For example, you may have a basic plan with 720p, a standard plan with 1080p, and a premium plan with 4K. Now, of course, each plan has its own pricing and payment options. Just go ahead and take a look at all the plans and choose the one that works best for you. Now, even with the lower tier plan, you'll still watch Netflix on support devices like your TV, computer, phone, or tablet. So I'm going to go with the basic plan for this video. Scroll down and then select Next. Now, if you didn't buy a premium one, Netflix might ask you to reconsider your choice. If you don't want that, just select the plan you originally chose and continue. And next, choose your payment method. And here you'll need to enter your credit or debit card details. Now, this is the card Netflix will use for your monthly subscription auto payment. Now, if you have other plans running on other accounts and you want to know how to cancel your Netflix subscriptions, we have a separate video on that. If you want, you can check that out. And you'll also see an option here to change your plan later if you need to. Now, once everything looks good, just select Start Membership. Depending on your smartphone, you may be asked if you want a device to remember your card details for future purchase. Choose whatever you want. And as you can see, you'll start receiving emails from Netflix confirming your membership. Now at this point, like I've mentioned earlier, you gotta add your phone number, and Netflix may require this for verification purpose. Enter your number and select Next. You'll receive a verification text message on your phone. And now it's time to set up your Netflix profile. Just enter the name you want to use on your profile. You can also add additional profiles for other people who will be using this account. We also have a separate video how you can do that after you've created an account. If you want, you can check that out as well. So once you're done, select Next. And now you're going to choose your preferred language. And then you'll be prompted to select a few movies and shows you'll like. Netflix will use this to recommend content for you. And once you're done, hit the enter, and that's it. Your Netflix account is all set up now. It also may prompt you to download the Netflix app on your phone. Now at this point, your TV may automatically log you into the account, but if it doesn't, just close the app on your TV and then reopen Netflix app. And then just go ahead and sign in with the account you've just created. And now you can start browsing and streaming on Netflix, your favorite show and movies. And that's all for today. Any question, remarks, just put that down below in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Thanks for your time.